Welcome back to Daily Power Boost. I'm Sean Michael, and today let's tackle something any of us can face as the year winds down: burnout. With deadlines looming, holiday stress, and the pressure to wrap up unfinished goals, it's easy to feel like you're running on empty. But here's the good news: there are ways to regain your energy, focus, and a sense of balance. Let's dive into strategies to overcome end-of-year burnout and finish the year strong.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. Stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me. I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to it. I don't want no fake love.
Burnout doesn't just happen overnight. It creeps up on us when we push too hard for too long without taking the time to recharge. I remember when a fellow coach shared how he was in the thick of his busiest coaching season, juggling back-to-back sessions, planning for the new year, and trying to meet his personal commitments. By mid-December, he was running on fumes, exhausted, irritable, and questioning why he'd taken on so much. One day, as we were talking, I asked him if maybe he was burned out. After a small pause, he realized he'd been neglecting his own self-care, while focusing on everyone else's growth. After that wake-up call, he made some critical changes that not only helped him recover, but also prevented burnout from taking hold again. Here's what's worked for me and for him and can work for you. First, prioritize your well-being. Block out time for rest, even if it's just 10 to 15 minutes for a walk or a quick meditation. Remember, you can't pour from an empty cup. 2. Set realistic goals. It's tempting to tackle everything before year end, but focus on what's most important. Let go of perfectionism and embrace progress. 3. Delegate and ask for help. If you're carrying too much, identify tasks you can delegate or share with others. Burnout often stems from trying to do it all alone. 4. Reflect and celebrate wins. Take a moment to acknowledge how far you've come this year. Gratitude for your progress can reframe stress and energize you for what's ahead. I'll share the turning point for me. During a tough December, I started a simple evening ritual, listing 3 things I was grateful for and 1 thing I could let go of the next day. It seemed small, but it helped me shift my focus from overwhelm to appreciation. And over time, I regained clarity about what truly mattered. Ended that year feeling more accomplished than drained. Your challenge today is to identify one area where you're feeling burnt out. Take action to address it, whether it's setting boundaries, delegating a task, or simply taking a well-earned break. Thank you for joining me on Daily Power Boost today. Once again, I appreciate everyone. And until next time, take care of yourself, keep shining. Remember, you've got this.
I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me. I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to it. I don't want no fake